What's up, everybody? I'm back with another knife review, and today we're going to be checking out the Alliance Designs Anchovy. Now, this is a Kevin Foster design who happens to be an avid fisherman, which you can totally tell where his inspiration comes from in his knives. Now, of course, it is called the Anchovy, so go figure. Now, you can see it has a satin hollow ground drop point blade, which is made from RWL34. I've never experienced that steel personally, but I gotta admit it has held up for what little bit I've used it on. Now, it is still as sharp as the day that it has arrived, so it's got to be somewhat okay, right? Anyway, the pocket clip is tip-up right-hand carry only, and the action on this guy is really smooth. I love how they did this flipper tab. It's more of like a button than it is a flipper tab, and has a little bit of jimping right there on it, just to keep you from slipping off, I guess. It isn't very aggressive and won't tear up your finger whenever you're flipping it, but I gotta admit, I'm loving this long, slender design, which makes for a great EDC. Now, the overall length on this guy is 8.375 inches, the blade 3.50, the cutting edge is 3.375 with a width of 0.875. Now, the thickness of the blade is 0.16, so it's definitely a stout little blade stock, and honestly, the way they've done the hollow grind on it, it actually makes for a great slicer. Now, the handle length is 4.875, the width is 0.75, and the thickness of 0.50. Let's get a weight on this bad boy. That thing always takes forever. 3.560. So it's actually pretty close to the Spyderco Smock, which I will compare it to right now, since I have it out anyway. Actually, these both came from Big Red, by the way. I forgot to mention that in the beginning of the video like I usually do. But I will be sending them back to him this coming week, I believe. But anyway, you can see it's 1/8 of an inch smaller than the Smock compared to the Para 2. Yeah, a little bit bigger than the Para 2. Not much, but right around the same size. Now, compared to the Para 3, get that guy in there. You can see about 1.25 inches, 1.5 inches bigger than the Para 3. Anyway, definitely makes for a great EDC, I will say that. I love this long, slender design, and the way they did the swedge on this drop point gives it a really good look. I love those grind lines, and man, it's a hollow grind. That thing is wicked. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, share, subscribe if you haven't already. Check me out on Instagram for much more. Stay safe. See you guys on the next one.